Welcome to the 60-second showcase series, where I'll demonstrate to you some of the amazing tools available to you within Microsoft Excel. You'll be exposed to tools that you didn't even know existed or were too intimidated to try. My name is Steve Young. I'm a Microsoft Certified Specialist Expert. Keep watching for more. In today's 60-second showcase, I'll be using tools that summarize and visualize large data sets within Microsoft Excel in no time at all. This gives you the information at your fingertips to make business decisions on the spot. We'll be using this data set in front of you based on Honest Ted's used car sales over a period of time. We'll be focusing on the salesperson, the make of vehicle, and the price. So the steps that we're going to take is using that data set, we'll make a table that looks like that. Using the information in the table, then we'll create a pivot table, which is a brilliant tool for summarizing large amounts of data. Straight away you can see Hector Smith has sold $330,000 worth, along with the breakdown of the makes of vehicles and the total as well. And then using that information, we're going to visualize it in a chart and have options on the side where you can select a certain salesperson and see that information, a certain make or multiple makes. Many options you can use there. They're excellent tools for filtering information. So as you can see, within 60 seconds I've got a lot of work to do. So let's go and get started. I'm all set for the 60-second showcase using tools that you can use to manage your data. We have 1 minute on the clock. I'm going to push start and it will start counting down. First step, insert a table. That's already done. Based on that table, we're going to insert a pivot table using the fields that we spoke about earlier, which was salesperson, make, and the price. Okay, that looks good. We will then insert a pivot chart. I'm actually going to cut this and put it on a standalone sheet. And then we want to insert some tools that enable us to filter by salesperson and make. Okay, so they're in position. We'll just roughly put those up there. Just like that. Give it a quick resize. It's got 13 on the clock. I want to change the design of the chart to look more like what we had before, which was that one. And then under view, I wanted to turn those grid lines off. There you go, time's up. So we managed to get all those tools put in position. You can see once you understand them, it doesn't take long to put them in. Now you've got all this information at your fingertips where you can filter your data. They're fully functioning like in the preview. Great tools, fantastic way to summarize your data. So I hope you enjoyed that little 60-second showcase, and I'll look forward to seeing you soon. The 60-second showcase series is designed to highlight some of the many features within Microsoft Excel that will add professionalism to your business, it will make your job easier, and ultimately it will save you money. EXCELutions is based in Manila, providing on-site and public Microsoft Excel training sessions in Northeast Victoria and beyond. Check out our webpage, look us up on Google, we're on all the socials, Insta, Facebook, LinkedIn. Give me a call today. You may just become a proficient, efficient spreadsheet wizard. Thanks for watching.